Wagwan kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making some coconut milk from scratch. You don't know, the best flavor you'll ever get is when you make it from scratch. Now this is going to be a little different from how we would do it back home in Jamaica, but it's kind of the same technique to me. It's just a faster way. The first thing you'll need to do is to remove the husk from the coconut. First of all, this coconut was not easy to break, and then it took a little time to husk it, so you want to be aware of that. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and share this video with your friends and family. So you can husk it with a spoon or a knife. So what I did was went around the edges with the spoon first, and then I used a small knife to went a little deeper, and then it just flip up. So as you can see, after I dig them out, I cut it up into smaller pieces just to make the blending process easier. Now this is the amount I got from one whole coconut, and it's a decent amount. Now I'm going to plop it into the blender and work the magic. Now I'm just pouring in the coconut, then I'll be adding 2 bottles of water, and that is equivalent to 5 cups of water, and I'll be letting it blend for 3 minutes. Also, I'll be making this post on my blog, so make sure you check it out. It will be the first link in the description box.
When the bright lights start to fade, fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. You make me feel light. You make me feel light. You make me feel. Where you at? Tell me, Shensia, like you want me hit the spinning like a damn car tire. Endless loving and it can't expire. Church, I never answer prayer. You know, say you got the loving for my body when you hold me, and if you call me, we come. Baby, me now let you go. Love is like a seed that you reap what you sow. Oh, baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up your.
Now, as you can see right here, I let it stop at exactly 3 minutes. So now it's time to strain it, and as you can see, I'm just pouring it out. Then I'll be using a spoon to smush it in the strainer. And since we're choosing the easier way out, then we're gonna strain it more than one time, and we're gonna squeeze very hard to make sure we get every bit of that goodness. Okay, back home, my mom, like every Sunday, like I used to dread this, guys, she would have us grate a coconut every Sunday morning after depending if I go to her church, it's after church, and if I go to the church that I grew up in, it would be before church, sometimes after church. And she do it just like how I did it in the beginning. Then we have to grate it, and after grating it, she would squeeze it in water and squeeze out as much juice as she can. And then you see what's left, like what we would call the trash. We as kids back home now would use that and eat it with sugar. So we'd use the trash after we squeeze out all the coconut juice. We just pour some brown sugar on it and eat that. That was a great snack for us back then. Like, oh my gosh, I miss the good old days. So back home, it's a tradition to eat rice and peas and chicken or curry goat, just about any meat of your choice with rice and peas. And that rice and peas better have coconut milk, okay? So it's like something we do every Sunday. And you don't have to sweeten this at all, guys. It's already rich and creamy and delicious.
Bring that come. Me need you like a home, me need my lungs. Turn up the pressure, make the thing get dumb. And when you're blazing, you know me not run it bad. Bad like it's against the law. Light up, bright up, it's what I me want. Me palm my skin, you feel the crap. And my body, she a crap. So me tell
So now that it's finished, look at how rich and creamy it looks. You can drink it as is. You can use it in your cereals. You can put it on the fridge to chill and make some cocktails with it. And of course, you can put it in your good up rice and peas. I hope you all enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, share this video.